Hello and welcome. Today, we're excited to introduce you to our premium cotton kitchen towels, a set of 12 high-quality towels designed to meet all your kitchen needs. Each towel measures a perfect 15 by 25 inches, making them ideal for drying dishes, wiping countertops, or cleaning up spills, and their size is just right for both big and small tasks. Crafted from 100% ring spun cotton, these towels boast a soft yet durable texture, ensuring they last long while providing excellent absorbency thanks to their flour-sack cotton construction. The ultra-absorbent weave allows for quick drying, keeping your towels fresh and ready for use at all times. With 3 different big check dobby weave designs and 4 vibrant colors, this set not only serves a functional purpose but also adds a touch of style to your kitchen. Whether you're drying dishes, wiping surfaces, or even using them for crafting and decorating, these versatile towels are an essential tool in every home. Don't miss out on elevating your kitchen experience with these durable and stylish towels. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.